What are the best ways to shrink oversized clothes?
Hello there. Today we'll be tackling a common wardrobe challenge: oversized clothes. Whether it's a cherished souvenir t-shirt that's a size too big, or that perfect pair of jeans you just had to have but they're a little roomy, don't fret. We're here to teach you the best ways to shrink those oversized clothes to a perfect fit.
Can all fabrics be shrunk?
It's crucial to note that not all fabrics respond well to attempts to shrink them. Some materials, like synthetic fabrics, resist shrinking. Cotton, wool, and other natural fibers are generally more amenable to shrinking. So, before you attempt to shrink a garment, check its fabric content.
How to shrink clothes in the wash?
One common method of shrinking clothes is to use hot water. The heat can help tighten the weave of the fabric, causing it to shrink. Here's the method. 1. Set your washing machine to the hottest setting. This is typically marked as hot or high. 2. Put your oversized garment in the washing machine. Don't add anything else to the load to avoid potential color bleeding. 3. Run the cycle. 4. Air dry the garment to avoid over-shrinking. Check the fit once it's dry. If it's still too large, you may repeat the process. Remember, the heat can also cause colors to fade, so it's best to use this method on dark or vibrant clothes sparingly.
How to shrink clothes in the dryer?
Using a dryer is another efficient way to shrink clothes. The heat from the dryer can cause the fibers in the garment to contract, which leads to shrinkage. 1. Wash your garment as you would normally. 2. Put the garment in the dryer. Set the dryer to a high heat cycle. 3. Check the fit of the garment after it's dried. If it's still too large, you may repeat the process. Caution: dryer heat can be intense, so use this method cautiously to avoid over-shrinking your clothes.
What if these methods don't work?
If washing and drying methods fail, consider getting your clothes professionally altered. Tailoring isn't just for suits, it can be an affordable way to get that perfect fit from your oversized clothes. You can also explore other methods such as steam shrinking or the use of shrinking sprays available on the market. And there you have it. With these simple and effective methods, you can transform your oversized clothes into the perfect fit. Remember, while shrinking can be a handy trick, it's always best to buy clothes that fit you well to begin with. Here's to a well-fitted and fabulous wardrobe. Happy shrinking!